Hi everyone, and welcome to Lipstick on Our Rig. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these pencil cup holders. This is great if you want to have a place to put your crochet hooks, and then maybe you can put spare yarn in the inside, maybe add your poof maker on the outside and some scissors. Also, it's great for pens and pencils, and if you like to paint, then you can put your paint brushes on the outside and then you can use the inside for water or to store paint pens or anything like that. To get started, you're going to need a stainless steel can, and I just pulled the label off and cleaned out the inside, a size G or 6 crochet hook, and some medium size 4 weight yarn. So to get started, I'm going to attach my yarn to my crochet hook and I'm going to chain 24. 1, 2, 3. From here, I'm just going to make sure that my chain is straight, and then I'm going to fold the tail end up toward my hook here and inserting my hook into the back bump, so not the actual V stitch here in the front, but the back bump in the back. I'm going to place 1 slip stitch. Now I'm going to chain 1 and inserting my hook into the next back bump, which is right here, I'm going to place a double crochet. And I'm going to continue to do that all the way around the row, placing double crochets in the back bump of each stitch. So once you're done with that row, we're going to go ahead and turn our work inside out just to make it a little easier to work with. And we are going to place 1 double crochet in the back loop only of all of the stitches across. So inserting our hook into the top of that chain 1 from the beginning of the row, we're going to place 1 double crochet. And in the back loops only, we're just going to keep placing 1 double crochet until this reaches the height of our can. So you're not starting and stopping at the end and beginning of each row, you're just going to keep continuing this pattern all the way up. Once you've crocheted it long enough to fit completely over your can, we're going to go ahead and just remove it. And what you're going to want to do is place 1 single crochet in the next 3 or 4 stitches in the back loop only. And then you're going to want to place a slip stitch in the next 3 or 4 stitches, the back loop only. And then in your very last stitch, place 1 slip stitch through the entire stitch. And then you're just going to tie off your work and cut your tail. And when I put this over my stainless steel can, I like to leave this ridge at the top. So I kind of start down here where I left off. We're just going to wrap it around our can like that. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you're trying to create your cup holders, and I'll do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for creating this with me today, and have a wonderful, awesome day.